Hello, friends! Today is our Class 6, so let's get started. Here we have taken A4-sized artboards and named them. Sometimes we need to use more than one artboard. It depends on our work. You can find the artboard option in the Layers panel. Click on it, and here you can see the artboard option. If you don't find it there, go to the Window menu where you'll also see the artboard option. You can select it from there as well. When you click on the artboard option, you'll see all the artboards here. If I click on artboard number 4, it will be selected and we can work on it. To rename an artboard, simply double-click on its name. Now, if we want to change the arrangement of the artboards, for example, to move artboard number 1 to the position of number 4, click on artboard number 1. You'll see 2 arrows below, one for move down and one for move up. Click Move Down. Then go to the right corner and click there to move it all the way to the bottom. Next, click on Rearrange All Artboards. A pop-up will appear. Click OK. You'll see that artboard number 1 has now moved to the position of number 4.